Hello everyone, my name is Rakai Naufal, NPM 192030192. First of all, let's use praise and thank the present Allah for the grace and the joy of all our youth can still gather and in this place without any barriers and they all in good health. Not forgetting with the salawat and greetings with the Prophet Muhammad who has brought us out of the dark ages to the era of bright like today, namely Islam. May we all get intersection on the end. On this occasion, allow me standing here to deliver a couple of stand speech about the South China Sea dispute and regional maritime security. The United States of America have always championed a free and open Indo-Pacific as we strengthen our police in the vital and very contention part of the aforementioned region, specifically the South China Sea, where are making our stance clear. Beijing claims to offshore risk across most, if not all, the South China, completely unlawful as it's a campaign of action detrimental to other nations in order for a control. So the United States seeks to preserve peace and stability in the South China, upholding the freedom of the seas in a manner consistent with international law and to also maintain a unimpeded flow of commercial. And next, we also embrace your opposition to any attempt to utilize correction or force in order to settle dispute. We share this deep and abiding interest with many, if not all, of your allies and partners who have long endorsed and rules-based international order. Next, we have the interests have come under unprecedented threat from the two utilities. Intimidation tactic in order undermine the sovereign rights of the South Asia Central. Within the South China proceeded to then bully them offshore risk. Next, the People's Republic of China does not have any legal ground to unilaterally impose its own will on the region. As the People's Republic of China has offered absolutely not current legal base 9-line 9. Sorry, I mean 9-line claimed on the South China Sea ever since announcement the claim. The United States would like to once again embrace in our previous stance and statement, and specifically provide in the convention the arbitral tribunal decision is a final and legally binding on both parties. The United States hardly announced that we out your position on the PRC maritime claims in the SGS with the aforementioned tribunal this section specifically. One, we have the PRC cannot lawful assert a maritime claim, including any exclusive economic zone or AEZ claim derived from Scarborough Reef and the Spratly Island in the Philippines, in area the tribunal found to be in the Philippines or not is continental. South Beijing has Beijing harassment of Philippine fisheries and of energy development with done is unlawful as are many unilateral PRC action exploit to rescue. In the line with the Tribune legally binding this action, the PRC has no lawful territorial and of maritime claim to Mischief Reef or Second Thomas Cole, both of which fall under Philippines sovereign right and just direction. Nor does Beijing have any territorial of maritime claims generate from this the future. And two, as Beijing failed to the port for a lawful coherent maritime claims in the South China Sea, the United States rejects any PRC claim to water beyond 12 nautical mile territorial and sea derived from island it claims in the Spratly Island, or without prejudice to other states sovereign claim to such island. The United States reject any PRC maritime claims in the water surrounding Vanguard Bank. In three, the PRC has no lawful territorial or maritime claims to or derived from James Hole. Any entry feature only 50 nautical miles from Malaysia, some 1,000 nautical miles from China. Of course, James Cole is often cited in PRC. Propaganda is the short-most territory of China. International law is clear, and underwater feature like James Cole cannot be claimed by any state incapable of generating maritime zone. James Cole right 20 meters below the surface is not and never was PRC territory, nor Beijing assert any lawful maritime rights from it. As the PRC reflects the stance and the course of action in the Himalayas by aggressively building many strategic important area which India, Nepal, and Bhutan maintain fall within their national boundaries. In the addition, China drive populates their area. The new installation range for electronic warfare station and air definition in the underground ammunition depots. Okay, next. The United States and the world will not allow Beijing to threat the Himalayas and the South China Sea, its empire. The United States, with our ASEAN allies and partner in protection the sovereign right to access their offshore rescue, consistent with their rights on obligation under international law. The United States stand with the international communication in defense of the freedom of the seas and respect sovereignty and rejects any push to impose in the South China Seas or right region. With all being said, United States of America recommends this this course of action to this council. One recommended the uploading of the freedom of the seas and unimpeded flow commercial to be many priority whilst handling and solving this issue. 2. Recommends every part to respect and abide by international law. 3. Recommends any party in this issue to solve any conflict in peaceful means on the basis international law. Specifically UNCLOS 1982. And 4. Recommends any parties utilizing intimidation tactic and the force should be recommend for their action on the basis international law. And last, recommend the start of confidence building measure. George ASEAN as a major regional organization to start playing a crucial part in solving and conflict in the region of part in any talk or other measure to solve conflict or indifference any regards to territorial claims in the region. All in all, the United States America is willing be completely committed to a very long-term decided effort such as a code conduct operation if rigid as we have previously done in the past with freedom of navigation operation in the region. So thank you for listening to the material I confirmed. Hopefully it can use for all. Thank you.